يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن وأنتم مسلمون. وقال الله تعالى في قرآن في سورة الأحزاب: يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما. أما بعد، اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم تسليما كثيرا. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. رب زدنا علما، رب زدنا علما، رب زدنا علما. All the praise be to Almighty Allah, who gave us the strength to meet once again after a very long layoff. Honorable Chairperson, respected teachers and all the dear students, you all are being welcomed to this school after a very long time. From whole Peace family, you all are being welcomed with open hearts, with clear minds and early hopes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفر إنه كان توابا.
It's time for school again, and it indeed is the most beautiful view to see all of you together here after a very long time in this morning assembly. So this is me, Nazifa Wani from 9th standard, and today, as we know, it's the first day of school. It's a new chance for us to know our ways, to learn new things, to meet our mentors, to meet our friends. Vacations are finally over, and it's time for us to enter our classes, to open our awaiting books, to be productive, to be creative, and do not forget to list even the smallest things that take you to the path of success. As it does not matter from where we are coming, but what matters is to where we go. So let's look forward, not backward. Hence, welcome back. I hope you had a very great break. Now let's look forward to a year full of memories.
I welcome back everyone. I hope your winter vacation rejuvenated your spirits and filled you with excitement for adventures that lie ahead. We have an incredible journey waiting for us, full of new knowledge, friendship, achievements. Embrace every opportunity and challenge that comes in our way. Now let's start with the poetry. So let's get started. हम नाजुक नाजुक दिल वाले रोज स्कूल को आते हैं, कभी समझकर अपना लेक्चर हम फिर दूसरों को समझाते हैं, कभी पढ़ते वक्त आपस में हम किसी बात पे लड़ भी जाते हैं, कभी पानी के बहाने हम बाहर घूम के आते हैं, कभी काम का कहकर टीचर को स्कूल का चक्कर भी लगाते हैं, कभी ढेरों चीजें घूमने पर भी यूं ही मुस्कुराते हैं, कभी टीचर की तारीफ में हम ढेरों गुण भी गाते हैं, कभी गुस्सा आ जाने पर थोड़ा उजड़ भी जाते हैं, कभी सॉरी कहकर टीचर को फौरन डांट भी जाते हैं, कभी ब्रेक के बाद चीज को हम छुप छुप कर खाते जाते हैं.
With warm regards, allow me to extend my heartfelt greetings to the honorable dignitaries of our school, to our formidable teachers, and most importantly, our beloved audience who have come to school after a long winter break. I am Sama Shabir from class 9, your ardent admirer and well-wisher. I hope all of you had a wonderful winter break full of relaxation and joy. As we gather here today, I stand here as a fellow student, as a senior, and of course as a very sincere student to my teachers as well. It is truly a very great honor for me to welcome you all on this beautiful day. We know that we are landing and stepping onto a new academic year, and on this year it's time to come together once again, united by our shared goals and aspirations for this year and our future. Together, all of us hold the power to make this year a truly remarkable time. Today, I want you to remember this one thing when you step into the classroom or into the playground as we are right now.
This is a new journey for you people. This day, today, is the first day on your journey to your new dreams, to your new destinations, to your new goals. We here, teachers, supervisors, ma'am, everyone, we are not only after you people to make you unable to pass the examinations. You people come here just for all-round development of your person. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. Amma ba'd. قال الله تعالى في كتابه المجيد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are starting with the session 2024. So you were here in 2023, now you are in 2024. So in this session, there are only few things you have to take care of. So remember these things. In school, first and foremost, you should be coming in proper uniform. This is very important for us. So in that there will be different sort of activities. So that will be designed by our academic coordinator along with the staff, along with the teachers. So inshallah, I hope that there will be different activities in respect of the students so that they come to school, they enjoy the school, they will be very good students. Along with these things, they will enjoy the schooling, inshallah. Thank you, Jazakallah, for hearing me. Thank you
Very much for this. Motivation, teachers' advice, everything is done. With this, we conclude our morning assembly. And I would like to end this morning assembly by a very important statement. Imam Shafi rahimahullah, he states that true knowledge is that what is beneficial for oneself as well as for others. It's not just the information that we memorize. Whatever we learn and whatever we heard from the students as well as from the teachers, it becomes necessary for us to incorporate each and everything in our actions as well as in our lives. Ultimately, it is going to have an impact in our lives very soon, inshallah, if we will follow all the advices given by our teachers as well as by our students. This was all for today's morning assembly. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.